Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be taking you around my living room and showing you what I have done since I took everything, all the Christmas stuff out. I'm just going to kind of take you through different areas of the living room, and if you have any questions about where anything came from or prices or anything like that, let me know in the comments. Now, if you like interior styling, decorating, you're trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click that subscribe button, because that's mainly what my channel is all about, and I'm going to have a lot of content coming really soon. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. I'm going to show you what I did. I'll tell you where some of the things came from and kind of what my thought process was in the way I set it up. So if you saw my Christmas home tour, you would have seen a lot more furniture in my living room, and that's because I hosted a Christmas Eve breakfast, so I had to have a lot of seating. I don't typically have that much seating out here. I like it to be open and airy, so that's why there's a big difference between the Christmas home tour video if you saw that. Now over here on this wall, this beautiful picture is from Ross, and the sconces are from ZGALLERIE. My daughter actually bought me those for Christmas, and they are on sale right now on ZGALLERIE's website for, I believe, $28 a piece. So they are not expensive, and I really needed something to fill that large wall over there. Now I did hang my curtains all the way to the ceiling because it gives more of a wow factor in the room, and I'm quite sure you've heard me say that before. These curtains are from HOMEGOODS. They are 108 inches tall. Okay, my two armchairs right here, they are from OVERSTOCK, I believe, and the two leopard print pillows are from Burlington. Over here I do have a new rug. This rug is from Ross, and believe it or not, it is an 8x10 rug, and it was only $99, and I absolutely love the colors in it, and I love how it spans the entire space. You just can't beat that price anywhere. Over here on this wall is where I set up the console table, and I just put two lamps and some, just some candles, and at the bottom I have some pillows, and I'll show you a close-up of that in a minute. Over here I have these 3 candle holders that I got from HOMEGOODS a while ago. The lamps are from Ross, and I put some decorative interior design books here and this cute little gold set of eyeglasses, and I just put a little flower right in between just to add some interest to this area, and it just kind of balances out. And I did put some pillows in this gold basket. That basket is from Ross as well. And I did paint this table like a champagne gold, and you'll get a close-up of that in a minute. I'll get back to that. The key to decorating in a neutral color scheme like this is to have a lot of different textures. Even though all of these pillows are the same color and the throw is the same color, they all have different textures, and so what that does is make it look more interesting and makes it not fall flat. And I put this dark console table right behind the sofa to give some contrast and interest in this area. And I put 2 ottomans up underneath it so that I could pull that out for extra seating if needed. I'm totally in love with this rug. I can't believe I found this at Ross. It's so perfect. It's exactly what I wanted to bring out the colors of my leopard print pillows. Over here in the window I put this beautiful vase that I got from HOMEGOODS a while ago, and all the filler is from Hobby Lobby, and I got it at 50% off. It's a great, Hobby Lobby is great for vase fillers for floral stems and things like that. It's a really good place to go. Just make sure either it's during the time that they have 50% off, or you have a 40% off coupon, because never pay full price at Hobby Lobby. No, that's not something we're gonna do. Guys, I have so many pictures at the end of this video. If you have any questions about where anything came from, or anything that you've seen in the video, as always, feel free to ask me in the comments. And I also, like I was saying, I have a lot of pictures at the end, so that if you want some ideas on how to decorate your home in these neutral colors, I wanted to give you some still photos just so that you can have something to look at. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.